Okay, so ESET Electronic Self-Assessment Tool for 2025-2028 tutorial. So, paano ba ito gawin? Just like before, wala naman po siya masyadong pinagbago. So, first, pagka-download po natin ng file, so this is the file. Pagka-download ninyo, I suggest na gumawa kayo ng sarili nyong copy. So, yan, meron na tayong copy. Then, right-click, properties, unblock. So, once na na-unblock nyo na, apply, pwede na natin i-open yung file. So, pagka-open natin ng file, ito na, enable content. So, select career stage. So, ano ba yung career stage natin? So, as of now, dahil wala pa namang 4, 5, and 6, beginning towards proficient pa lang po tayo. Then, start. So, dito, syempre, agree lang po tayo. And then, fill out nyo na po lahat yan. So, pag na-fill out nyo na lahat yan, papasok na tayo doon sa, for example, ayan, Mimaropa, Division of Occidental Mindoro, 110254. Check natin po school type. Then, large. Then, kinder to grade 6 last name. So, we have De La Cruz. 11, 4639 637. Position. Age. Sex. Female. Number of years for more than 10. Siyempre kung hindi naman kayo graduate, dun kayo sa bachelor's degree. Kung graduate kayo, so dun kayo sa master's degree, doctorate degree. So dito lang tayo, and then yung course ko, grade level taught, elementary, dapat email address, and PIN. Yan, sabi ha, 9-digit without spaces or dashes. So, since ang area of specialization ko is early childhood, then subject taught, so Filipino, Math, GMRC, ESP, PE and Health, TLE. So, once done, next. So, dito, tinry ko na year 1 lang yung isasagutan, kaso hindi siya pumayag. So, kailangan po lahat sagutan mo. Hindi mo siya ma-next kung hindi mo siya sasagutan lahat. So, depende yan kung level of capability and priority for development. So, ano yung level of capability mo? Hanggang saan mo siya kaya? Very high, high, moderate, or low. Priority of development. So, alin dyan yung una mong gustong i-develop sa sarili mo? So, yun yung sa priority for development. Yan. So, for the purpose of, ano lang po ito, example. Kaya dito ko siya lahat nilalagay. Yan. Then, ito yung priority. Lagay din daw tayo ng priority natin. So, tingnan natin what will happen. Yan. This one. This one. Siguro yung mga year 1, sila yung ating priority. Next. Oops, meron ako nakaligtaan na row. Aling row ang nakaligtaan ko? O, diba? Kaya you have to really check one by one. So, kailangan lahat dyan ay may check. Hindi pwedeng wala. Saan yun na? Na-miss ko. Ayun. So, dito. Wala ako. So, nakita niyo po. So, hindi siya papayag na mag-next kayo kung hindi niyo siya na-fill out lahat. So, dito, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 lang. So, let's use 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So, for the purpose of accomplishing lang po ito, ha. 5, 5, 5. Oh, magaling ako sa teamwork. Ayan. So, pwede mo rin naman kung mahina ka sa innovation. Mahirap din talaga minsan po mag-isip ng innovation. And we have 5, 5, 4, 4, 4. Yan. So, once na-accomplish mo na, save mo na siya. Yes. So, tatanungin ka niya kasi hindi mo na daw pwedeng bago maglalak na yung responses natin. So, click OK lang. Then, set the password. So, kung ano man yung gusto mong password na ilagay, then click OK. So, yan na siya. So, dito, I suggest i-print mo na siya. So, ako kasi ay piniprint ko siya as PDF muna para later ko na siya ipiprint. Yan, PDF muna. Okay. Then, Cherry Andy sample. Yan. So, once na-finish mo na siyang i-print, yan. So, dapat meron kang kopya niyan po, ha? Finish. Okay. So, nakalagay naman pwede mo siyang ma-view. So, ito na yung IDP. So, dito sa IDP, gagawa ka na ng strength mo. This sheet shall be accomplished and updated during the following phase. Phase 1, performance planning and commitment based on the result of the ESAT. Phase 2, performance monitoring and coaching based on the agreements in the performance monitoring and coaching form. And Phase 4, performance rewarding and development planning based on the actual results of the IPCRF. The individual development plan shall be updated annually based on the focus indicators of the PMES for teachers on the school year and the teacher's actual performance. So, magdidepend ka daw dito sa PMES na gagamitin natin. So, ayan. So, kung meron kang action plan, ratee, rater, and approving authority. That's all. Thank you.